Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, hinge covers, left display panel hinge, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and webcam cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel and webcam cables from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the microphone board. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the microphone board. Route the display panel and webcam cables through the routing channel on the display enclosure.